Hello and welcome to iDryclean Customer Rewards. The best way to keep customers and bring in new ones is by rewarding them for their loyalty to your store. A good customer rewards campaign for a dry cleaner or laundry should be simple, easy to track, and clearly valuable to the customer, especially since dry cleaning is a recurring service that relies on customer loyalty. In this video, we are going to show you how the iDryclean Customer Rewards program can be the best thing you ever added to your store. First, it's simple. iDryclean does all the work. Second, iDryclean tracks its use. You just set it and forget it. And third, customers get a value they will appreciate. So, let's show you how it works. We are going to start by configuring the Customer Rewards setup information. At the top of the iDryclean main screen, select the Configure button and then select Adjustments and Coupons. When you see the screen, enter the number of points a customer must reach before they are given a coupon you design. Its value is determined by the coupon that you enter in the file window as shown. Ours has a 10% discount coupon selected. Click on the Browse button to select any coupons that are already designed. You can print the coupon to see how it looks, or select the Coupon Builder button to create and edit your own coupons. The iDryclean Coupon Builder is a tool you can use to make coupons. Click on the Coupon Builder button to start building. You will see the Microsoft Paint program start up with a default coupon layout. It is important that your coupon is a JPEG file and is within the boundaries of your receipt printer where coupons will print. Add text and graphics and even a store logo to your coupon as needed, and then save the coupon. Click on the Browse button to find your coupon and select it. Points are defined for every garment you have in your pricing table. First, define a points value for every garment. Second, points can be from 0 to 9,999, depending on the value you give to the garment. For example, maybe 1 point for every dollar spent. And third, points are earned each time a customer pays for an order. Let's see how to define the Customer Rewards points setup. First, enter your pricing setup. Now, find the points column for each garment and enter the reward points value for that garment. Repeat this for each garment in your store. And repeat for all of your departments. Now, your iDryclean Customer Rewards is ready to use. When customers pay for orders, their points total is shown on the Smart Register screen, as well as printed on the customer's receipt, if so configured in your ticket and tag layout configuration. You can also see the customer's points total in the Customer Edit screen under the Rewards tab. Your customer now has a Customer Rewards coupon they want to redeem. At the iDryclean Pickup screen, click on the Coupons, Discounts, Sales button. This will allow you to enter or scan the barcode number you assigned to the coupon you built. Enter the 8-digit number on the coupon that corresponds to the item ID of the coupon in your department 1012 Adjustments pricing table. The coupon will appear in the list. Our example shows a 10% discount coupon with the order adjusted with a minus 40 cents, representing a 10% discount off the $4 total. Click on the Accept button and the coupon adjustment is added to the order pickup screen for processing. I hope you are convinced how valuable a tool the iDryclean Customer Rewards program is. Customer loyalty is not just an important business success strategy. It might be the most important tool for your stores. Please contact us today and ask about our Customer Rewards program and how we can help you use it for your store. And here is a special limited time offer. I am so convinced the Customer Rewards program will help drive repeat business. I will send you a Customer Rewards countersign personalized for your store free of charge. This is a limited time offer, so call today at the phone, email, or website shown below. Please note, Customer Rewards requires version 8.11 of iDryclean Smart Register software. Thanks!